Hi, I'm Alex Anderson, and I want to invite you to become a member of the QUILTSHOW.com. Several years ago, I slowed down teaching in person because I wanted to take classes inspired by so many of the wonderful guests we've had on the QUILTSHOW.com. Whether it was Susan Carlson, or Sue Spargo, or Cindy Needham, I found myself rediscovering the joy of learning. This is what we at thequiltshow.com want for you in 2022, and we have lots of ways for you to learn. It's time to get scrappy and start digging into your stash. Our exclusive block of the month by Irene Blank will capture your heart. It's done in that wonderful Australian style that we all love. It's a quilt that both you and your family will treasure forever. Can you do it? Yes, because Barbara Black has constructed the quilt already and has many tips, advice, and alternative methods for making this quilt shine. How about other classes and projects? Well, we've got it, and with your support, we'll continue to present our live broadcasts, which give you special ways to learn and grow. Neutral quilts are beautiful, and I can't wait to present to you how to make a successful one. Also, Dee Christopher has a color project up her sleeves that you'll be making, and you will understand the color wheel better than you ever have before, and you'll end up with a pretty cool quilt when it's over. The cherries on top are, of course, the quilt shows themselves. We search the world for the best teachers and innovators to bring you inspiration and practical techniques that you can use in your studio or on your current project. Right now, with your 1-year membership, we include a bonus of 2 free ebooks that you can download and keep. One will help you organize your area, and one will help you escape. Rediscover the joy of learning this year at thequiltshow.com.